Hi guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I want to show the doctor appointment website. So many people are busy with their works and they don't even have time to go hospital and book the appointment. So we come up with a doctor appointment website. We can see the flow of this website. This is the flow. In this website we have 4 modules: admin, hospital, doctor and user. Admin can log in with default credentials like username and password, and then admin can add the hospitals and view the added hospitals. This is the admin role. Coming to hospital, hospital login with added email and password, and doctor register with personal details like username, password, phone number, email, specialization and so on. And doctor login with register email and password. If the doctor want to work in the hospital, then the doctor send request to hospital. After that, hospital login with email and password, and then hospital can view the doctor request. If the available timings are okay, then hospital accept the doctor request. Otherwise, hospital reject the request. After that, user register with email, password and so on, and then login with register email and password. The user can view the hospitals and related that hospital doctors. After that, user can choose the dates and book the appointment particular slot. For that booking, the user can pay the amount. Then the user can view the bookings, and also doctor can view the bookings, user bookings. Hospital also view the bookings. If the hospital wants to cancel the booking, then the access is done. Access is given to hospital to cancel the booking. And then doctor can view the user bookings. Then the doctor accept the booking. Then he can write the prescription for that particular appointment, send to user. User can view the prescription for that problem. Then the user can give the reviews to doctor and hospital. This is the flow of this website. Then we can view the website. This is the home page. Admin can log in with username and password. Username as admin and password also admin. Click on login. This is the admin home page. And then admin can add the hospitals by giving name as hospital. Hospital name Yashoda. Password hospital email. Specialty like super specialty hospital. Phone number, you can give the phone number. Address, you can choose the hospital profile picture, and then click on add hospital. Hospital is added successfully. Then admin can view the added hospitals here. You can see hospital name, email, phone number, address and so on. Click on logout and then click on doctor. New doctor register here. Give the doctor name. Doctor name as doctor or John. Doctor name is John. Specialization MBBS. Designation, qualification, and so on. Email, doctor email and doctor phone number. Password. About, profile, doctor profile. Click on register. Specialty heart surgery and click on register. Doctor will be registered. Then log into the doctor by giving register email and password. This is the doctor home page. Doctor can view the hospitals and the doctor send the request to hospital. Then you can choose the days. Monday, you can choose the Monday, Tuesday and Saturday. From time and to time. You can choose the from time and to time. (11:30 to 1:30). PM. Then click on send. Request will be sent to hospital. And doctor also view the request here. This is the Monday and Tuesday and Saturday request. Log out. Log into the hospital. Hospital can accept or reject this request sent by the doctor. Register with email and password. This is the hospital page. You can view the doctor request here. If the timings are okay, then the hospital accept their request. I can accept these requests. Consultancy fee 500. Accept. And I can reject these requests and accept these requests. Consultancy fee 700. Accept. And log out. Log into the doctor with register email, password. And doctor can view their status here. See here, status will be changed to request accepted by hospital and request rejected by hospital and also request accepted by hospital. This is the status of these requests. Log out and register the user. New user, register here. Give the name as gender female, email, address, password, blood group, choose the blood group as phone number, age, and click on register. User also registered and log in with register email and password. Email and password. This is the user home page. User can view the doctors along with hospital. This is the doctor name. Click on these. No ratings because user can give the ratings after After the prescription is over, he send request to doctor by choosing the slot. I can choose this slot. Book appointment for cause heart pain. This is the consultancy fee for these appointment. Enter the card number, card details here. Card holder name, CVV, expiry date, and click on book appointment. Appointment will be booked for these dates. And user also view the bookings here. This is the doctor name, specialty, hospital name, booking date, appointment time, and slot number, username, blood group, booking status, and so on. Log out and log into the doctor. Doctor can view the user request. Click on view bookings. This is the user bookings. Then click on accept. If the doctor accepted, then the doctor write the prescription. So click on write prescription button. Then doctor give the prescription. Use medicine. X-ray is needed. Just like this. And click on submit. Log out and log into the user. User can view the prescription given by the doctor. This is the prescription given by the doctor. After this, the user can give the ratings for doctor and give the ratings for hospitals. You can give the ratings and review. Good. Click on give rating. And also user can give rating for hospital. Average. Click on give rating. Log out. Log into the hospital. Hospital also can view the user bookings. Click on view bookings. These are the user bookings. Here click on doctor name. These are the ratings given by the user. And also doctor can view the hospital ratings. Register with email and password. Then click on view hospitals. Click on hospital name. These are the ratings given by the user. This is our doctor appointment website. Thank you.